Very good. Yay!
Thank you very much. A beautiful arrangement there of the spiritual song, Swing Low, Sweet Chariot. For us, no King Singers concert would ever be complete without the obligatory Beatles song. So, so here comes one to close up this evening's concert, and this is Honey Pie, which tells the story of a young girl from Liverpool.
You clapping? Yay!
To become a movie star back home as a sad, lonely boy. You are driving me crazy.
Now the Beatles, they sang good. I love some of their songs. They're very nice.
The Beatles?
The Beatles.
Okay.
But they're doing the best they can. That's really good. They doopy 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 doop.